Guys, and welcome back to my channel, All Things Yazz. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Yazz and I create videos both on fashion and beauty. So if you like that sort of thing, then I think you'll really like it here. So please do consider subscribing, like and comment, and hit that notification bell if you want to receive notifications whenever I post a video, normally Tuesdays around 7 PM. So for today's video, I've created this autumnal makeup look. So if you do want to see how I achieved this, then please do continue watching. I've been loving autumn at the moment. I love doing autumnal makeup because I love using browns, but I have just focused on the eyes today. So if you want to see like an everyday makeup routine, then leave a comment down below because mine has changed considerably and all of my skincare has changed since the last video. So if you do want to see that, leave a comment down below and let's just jump straight into this video. Okay guys, so before we start, I used this palette, the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, to create this look, and I think honestly this is autumn in a palette. Look at those colours, such beautiful browns to create that really autumnal look. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump straight in and let's zoom you in. you.